watching Expedition Joe. This show is basically bringing you the best of Paris in summertime as a solo traveler. I just landed in the city of lovers, Paris, and I am standing here right in front of the most beautiful church, La Notre Dame. So, Notre Dame is one of the oldest churches in Europe altogether. Built back in the 1500s, it took 200 years to construct. Can you imagine? The Notre Dame has 387 steps. In the South Tower is where Quasimodo rings his tower bells. It was built and designed by Eugene Viollet-le-Duc. Just as an insider tip, if you want to avoid the queues, the long lines, definitely go get your museum pass way in advance so that you can go ahead right to the front and take those 387 steps all the way up to see Quasimodo himself. Look at all these gargoyles. Now, most people think that gargoyles are something to be scared of. Well, they should be, because that's exactly what they were intended. They were intended to thwart evil spirits and to only keep the good spirits inside the church. Thanks for watching on Expedition Joe. I'm Johanna Vanderspool. Until the next time.